Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bijal Shah and today we are reviewing Dome Retreats in Rajagundta, Bangalore. So I'm here with my family and this is my grandmom. So it's really pretty and I'll show you the dome how it looks. So let's get started. So this is how they look. This is in the shape of a dome. So guys, I came with my mom, my ba and my sister. Ba? રેખા બા ઓકે બા મજા આવી બા કારમાં મજા આવી કારમાં બા કારમાં મજા આવી ઓકે બા let's go. So this is how it is. There are 4 and they have a common swimming pool here. So this is the premium one. It's called Mansa. Oh, look at the below. So these are the entrance. Yeah. These are the guava trees. Then there's the banana leaves. Oh, look at the banana leaves. They do have bananas. Banana guavas. This is how the igloo house looks like, and this is their garden. And they have left swans and rabbit over here, and they have many trees. So guys, we are here and let me show you what all they have on the way. So this is the walkway path and between they have this, so you can actually stand in here, take Instagrammable photos. And let's go now. This is a mango tree. This is a lake here. They have swimming pool and pool this side. And again, this is something to take a picture of and show them the rooms. And here you can actually play games and go. So this resort lets you do the pottery as well. Look at the cute rabbit, guys. The Dome Retreats. Then there are these games. Then there are outdoor activities like badminton. Oh, look at this rabbit bunny here also. Hey bunny. The ears are sus. क्या So hula hoop is there, then there is badminton, table tennis and cricket.